This is a brief look at the Date Manager in Blackboard. So I'm going to go into a course that I'm teaching for fall that I've copied into from a summer course. All of the content has already been copied. The assignments are in there. I don't set up my course so that students have access to the calendar in Blackboard. But nevertheless, when the course copies, it puts all of those dates on the calendar. And so even though students can't get to it from the left-hand menu, they can get to it from the global navigation menu or the dashboard and see these skewed dates. So they'll always be seeing things are past due or the wrong things are upcoming. And so I want to set my dates correctly in Blackboard regardless of whether I allow students to access the course calendar. And so I go into Course Tools and click on Date Management. And if I'm copying from fall to spring, then I can just count the number of days from the beginning of spring to the beginning of fall and adjust everything by that number of days. Copying from summer to fall is a little bit different because of the different number of weeks in each semester. And so for this one, I'm going to use term info. And Blackboard already has the beginning date and the end date of the term in here. And so I'm going to let it adjust by the term dates. And so I click Start. It just takes a couple of minutes to run. Of course, since fall is stretched out more than summer, I'm going to need to go in and make adjustments. Again, it runs more smoothly copying from fall to spring just by number of days, but it's still helpful for summer to fall. So it completed. I click Next, and I have all of my assignments and the due dates adjusted for fall semester. But again, since this is a 3-hour course, we're doing 3 hours per week in the fall. We did 4 hours per week in the summer. Things need to be adjusted a little bit. So for my first assignment, I'm going to click the pencil to edit it. I'm going to click on the date and set it back to the 25th, and then click Done. And then I'll click on the green check to accept that change. And it tells me that it's been updated. So now I'll go through and I'll do each one. And then when students look at their dashboard, their upcoming assignments, their past due assignments, they'll have the correct dates in there. And so after I get my whole list done, then I'll be able to take a screenshot of this page, paste it into Word, save it as a PDF, and upload it as my printable list of due dates that I'm required to have in my Start Here folder.